It's on. We're rolling, baby. Come on. Pat Beverly, you was right, Pat. They do have a car show right here. And it's free. I don't have to pay nothing to get in here. Well, I paid to get into the fair, which is $15, so yeah. I guess it's not free. Kia. That's what I got. I got a Kia Stinger. And I'm a car channel. This is what I usually do, but I'm filming. I'm out here at the fairgrounds, guys. And they got a car show out here. I can't open up the doors and stuff like I do at the dealerships. You're on YouTube, so you live. Oh, look at this. Check it out. Oh, this is from Boomer Kia, okay. Hey, now. All right. It's right up my alley, filming cars and trucks. Okay. Well, they got the air conditioning way up in it, man. It's cool in here. But it's okay. Check this out.
You want to get a truck? Okay. You look good in the truck.
Black Widow. Shelby. Look at all the handprints on this car. How many people done touched this car? Look at all that. Can you see? I don't know if you can see that. Got thousands of handprints on this whole truck. People touching it. Uh-oh, you guys on YouTube now. Sorry.
No, sorry.
Oh, look at that. Where's this? Metro Ford. Okay, Metro. Ah, yes. It's a beautiful truck. Rocky Ridge. That's nice. I want to open it up. See if I can open it up. Oh yeah, look at that, man. Look at that. Look at it. Ooh, look at the interior. Look at the leather in there. Stitching. Oh, it's beautiful in there. Look at that logo. Check that out. Oh yeah. All right, let's see if that thing gonna close at the bottom. See if it folds up. Uh-oh. Didn't fold up. Key's not in there. The fob's not nearby. I forgot we don't have keys and we got fobs. Rocky Ridge.
What? Look at this one. It's not fixed. Whoa.
Black
look at
Ops.
this one.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Not fixed. Look at this
Look at this little boy.
one.
Check it out, guys. Black Ops. Black Ops. Oh, I never seen this, man. This is, I'm gonna have to go to covered wagon on this one. I never seen no Black Ops Ford. Look at the lights on this thing. Black Ops. How y'all doing this morning?
Doing good.
I'm fine, sir. Thank you. This is the Black Ops truck. F-150 Black Ops. Nice. Check that out, Special Forces. Special Force badge. That's nice. What's the price on this thing?
65.
How many?
65.
I'm on YouTube. I'm filming it. Put it on my YouTube channel. See if I can get somebody to, you know, whatever they want to do.
Yeah.
Was this door already open? All right, let's go up here. This is a Hennessy truck, the Venom. Hennessy Venom. There you go. Venom. Ford. Hennessy. There you go. This is nice. This is Venom. This truck's something I haven't seen before. That special ops truck over there, I've never seen that. This Venom, never seen no Venom. And I go to dealerships all the time. They don't have these. These must be the 2023s or something. I don't know. Look at that. Got the Venom right here. Check that out. See? Put your flag in there. You got the cuts. Ford Venom. Cool. Is it locked? Because I wanted to film inside. It's locked up. I like filming these trucks inside. Oh, got the black wheel on it. Got a camera right here. What kind of engine they got? Big one. Black Widow, look at that. I never thought I was gonna come out here and be filming cars and trucks out at the fairground. I never thought that. My friend Pat Bear, my friend told me that they have a car show. I called the office out here. They said no, but she was wrong. And Pat was right. They got it. I'm filming it right here. Double barrel, baby. Check that out.
Mine's more like that, but what I did is for one
All right, let's keep it moving, guys. Got other stuff out here to film.
because I did a yellow post when it turned the bed light, you scratch it up anyway, so it appears. So for $200,
I've seen a nice orange and black Toyota over here. I gotta get. Yeah, this is the Black Ops right here. It's nice. Check that out. Black Ops. Cool. Ooh, Toyotas look nice. I love this orange. Toyota Tundra.
Okay, let's let Dad experience it on his own. It's getting in one.
Cool. TRD Pro. Cool.
Pretty cool. Yeah. Sit down. No.
Yes, I know.
How much does it cost?
It says 36 over there.
36.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if that's right though.
Yeah.
Doesn't seem right.
It can't be.
This seems like 50
I'm putting you guys
or
on
60.
YouTube. You see our film from YouTuber.
Oh, nice.
Your whole family gonna be in the stream.
All right.
All right.
Cool.
Thank you, man. Look at this truck. They said I don't think that's the price. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't know though. Oh, here's the real price down here. It's right here. Here's the price. It's 70,700. Oh, okay, that's the price. See, they was looking at this price, but here's the price right here. You know it's gonna be more than that. Tax, dealership fees, and all that other crap. So. Did you see the price on it? I found the price. Check it out. I ain't gonna even lie.
Yeah.
That's the real price.
Yeah.
See, this is the lure you in.
Gotcha.
And that's it right there. So
Yeah. Okay.
I knew it wasn't no 30. Not even close.
Really? Okay. We're gonna have to.
Oh man. Oh man, that's cool.
Oh, okay. So what's the real price on this?
Jeez, man.
Sorry, babe.
Capstone.
It doesn't unlock.
No, hold on. It doesn't. Just come look over here.
Yeah.
It's another Tundra.
Yeah. The only thing would be it's more compact than the RAV4. So
Yeah.
so if maybe too
What about
small.
wind noise or road noise? Do you know if that's one of the
I've
things?
never personally driven one, but I haven't heard that from drivers yet.
I love that.
Yeah, it gives you the lot. Just
Tacoma. So they bring you in with this price, right? Starting at. But here's the real price right here. It's a big difference. That's not even. It's gonna be more than that probably because dealership. You know they're gonna add on then taxes and everything else, but. Oh, yeah, go ahead. Oh, okay.
Still the money shot.
The money shop's over there. That special lap truck. That's my money right there. I've never seen that before. All right, this is beautiful. This greenish color. It's nice. Check out. What you doing, brother? You having fun?
Yeah.
Good. You relax? Where's your PlayStation at? Huh?
I don't know. I'm gonna pop the hood and see what it looks
Come on, pop it. I'm gonna put it on my YouTube channel. Come on. Pull that lever. You gotta pull the lever. That's right. See, here's the price. It is.
like. Up.
No, it's not up yet. My man gonna open the hood for me. Why are you doing that? Huh? Oh, it's up a little bit. I can't pull it up because I've got one hand. I'm using one hand. You see the latch? Cool. When you get it, call me. I'm gonna film it. I'm gonna go around and film. What's up, brother? You looking at it, huh? It's nice. Yes, sir. Did you get it? Okay. Call me when you got it, brother. Ooh, look at all this room back. Ooh, this is deep back here. Look at it. Okay, it's not a lot of light in there, man. You can see they don't have a lot of light in there, so we're working on what we got, okay? You didn't get it? Don't worry about it, brother. We good.
What's your channel called?
Uncle Mike 392. You gonna be on there because I seen you helping me when you relaxing back there. Yeah.
You do,
All right, let's get this last Toyota Tundra.
Scale that thing.
Hey, Pop, come here.
I said, I ain't coming. Probably didn't even show up. Okay. Are you gonna buy this, brother? Here, let me go on in there. Go ahead. I want to see you in there.
Okay.
Put you on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Tell me what you like about the truck.
Well, first off, this truck has a well, let's just say this part can open up,
Gotcha.
and then this like whole car is like super cool. Like the dashboard is like super cool inside here, and if you were able to drive, you can just pull this and it'll ignition it. And
So let me ask you a question. You're on YouTube, right?
yeah,
How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Okay. If you was 20 and had the money, would you buy this?
Yes,
There
it
you
would
go.
be my first car.
There you go. I love it. I love it. He said he's 11 years old, guys, but he said if he was 20 and if he had the money, he would buy it. Cause tell him what you like about it.
I like about this that the like the design, it's pretty cool. Like if you were carrying things like this, you can use this.
Right.
And then if you were wanting to put stuff in there and this couldn't open, then you can just use this.
There you go. Here, let me film that. I gotta get down there. Okay, there you go.
And then I think what I'm seeing right here is that this button can
look
open
at that.
it.
Okay. We got a lot of storage, right? Storage, right?
Yep.
There you go.
And some of these this button right here can put on the emergency brake,
Okay.
and then it can and this button can activate it. It would just a push of the brake and then start it.
Gotcha. Tell him your name.
My name is Caleb Solberg.
Appreciate you. Tell him. I'm gonna go around, walk on the other side, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna go film the truck. Thank you, man. Appreciate you.
Okay.
I thought they were out already. I thought they would maybe have one of the.
So these trucks are they 2022 or 2023s?
what's your favorite?
Forerunner.
Changed much. They just have
It's a beautiful color. Look at this color on this thing. Wow. That is a nice color. Camry. Oh, this beautiful color.
Yeah. This probably up to like 35.
Let's look at the inside. I got red seat belts. Cool. Red stitching around the leather, black leather. So look at that. Got stitching up here. Cool.
Yeah, I know. I wonder if it's because it's more of the sports model. Oh, yeah. I like this. He's right over there. Yeah, I know. I really like this one. I like the color. I like it. It's just so fun.
Right, just on my 3 and I think I'm going to end it right here and start another one. Late.